प्रसभम अभिशाशार मध्वधार्थं
प्रसभम अभिशार मध्वधार्थं
प्रसभम अभिशाशार मद अबधा
परमदर्थम
स्वभावतु मे भगवान गतिर्मुकुंद
स्वभवतु मे भगवान गतिर्मुकुंद
स्वभावतु मे भगवान गतिर्मुकुंद
स्वभवतु मे भगवान गतिर्मुकुंद.
Translation.
May he Lord Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who award salvation be my ultimate destination. On the battlefield he charged me and it angry because of the wounded dealt by my sharp arrows. His shield was scattered and his body was smeared with blood due to the wound.
Okay. So last Thursday, we are discussing that how Bhishma Pitamaha was addressing Lord Krishna in so intimate and loving way. So Bhishmadev was recognizing Krishna's loving nature for his devotees, the quality of Bhakta Vatsalya. So Bhishmadev was appreciating Krishna, that how Krishna, he sacrificed his own vow in order to fulfill the vow of himself. So and in order to protect Arjuna, he was so tensed and he was so hurried. He took out the wheel of the chariot and running towards Bhishma in order to kill him, in order to punish him. So in the both the way, Krishna was showing affection. So in one side, Krishna was showing affection to Arjuna, and another side, Krishna was showing affection to Bhishma. So Bhishma was a devotee in a Veera Ras, and Bhishma took the vow. So that either he will kill all the Pandavas or Krishna has to carry the weapon. That was Bhishma's vow, because Bhishma wanted to show that Krishna loves his devotee, Krishna protects his devotee. Konte pratijanihi name bhakta pranashati. So Bhishma wanted to establish that in the battle of Kurukshetra more clearly. So therefore he took a vow that today I am going to finish all the Pandavas. And we have discussed that how Krishna was in tension, and then how Krishna insisted Arjuna that to take those 5 arrows back. तो लास्ट वीक हम लोग बहुत सुंदर डिस्कशन हो रहा था कि किस प्रकार अर्जुन एक बार भीष्म को बचाया था, दुर्योधन को बचाया था, और कृष्ण को पता था कि दिस 5 arrows are so powerful and Bhishma is so powerful warrior, it will be not be possible to save Arjuna, and therefore very intelligently Krishna took away all the 5 weapons by Arjuna. So Krishna more headache than Arjuna. So this is Krishna's transcendental quality, Krishna's loving nature for the devotees. So, and his love goes in such an extent that is ready to give up his own vow. Generally, Krishna's name is Achyuta. He never fall down from his promise. So, but here we can see Krishna is not able to fulfill his own vow. So the Acharya explained that then how Krishna is Achyuta. So the Acharya says that Krishna is Achyuta because Krishna never falls to protect his devotee. So Krishna may not able to fulfill his own promise, but Krishna never fail to fulfill the promise of his own devotee. That is Krishna. And that's what we are discussing. Krishna consciousness is very, very joyful process. Krishna consciousness, sense control is easy because in Krishna consciousness there is a loving relationship between Krishna and his devotee. So Krishna reciprocate with his devotee as devotee try to serve Krishna. Like Arjuna wanted to serve Krishna and Krishna is reciprocated with him. And in the case of Bhishma, who is in opposition party, now Krishna is being in between, he is reciprocating with both. Can you imagine? Such a God. He is reciprocating with Krishna also, Arjuna also, and opposition party there is a Bhishma also. So Krishna is reciprocating with both. Where is such God can reciprocate with all the people? And Krishna is reciprocating with all the soldiers also. So by glancing on them, Krishna is reducing the lifespan. And thus, Krishna is liberating them. This is Krishna. Therefore, he is all attractive. That is the proof that Krishna is reciprocating with anyone and everyone which other incarnation cannot do. That is why he is Krishna. Sarva Karshati iti. Today in the morning class we are discussing that how Krishna is all attractive, how Krishna is God. But we are not able to see many things because they are very new. But in the devotee circle we can nicely discuss because devotees drink that juice of Krishna Bhakti. So Krishna is reciprocating with the soldiers, Krishna is reciprocating with the Bhishma, Krishna is reciprocating with Arjuna also, and Krishna is reciprocating with Yudhishthira Maharaj, who become bewildered. So therefore, Krishna consciousness is very personal. Krishna can reciprocate with each and every devotee, either very new devotee or older devotee. Today, when we are going to start our class, the college batch class, so I was not able to send the PPT to Akshay Prabhu because Akshay Prabhu's name starts from A, and in my laptop, A button is not working. So I was thinking that how to send because his email ID will not come unless I press A. So I was in a lot of tension. So class is going to start and A button is not working. I have pressed very hardly for a long time, but still it is not working. So I was thinking, Krishna, you do some help, I do some help. So I was thinking Krishna, and then K is for Krishna, means K, Krishna start from K, and like Akshay Keshwatkar, then K means Keshwatkar se K, so I pressed K. So Krishna ko yaad karke I pressed K, immediately Akshay came. Hari bol. And immediately his mail address came, and I sent the PPT. So how Krishna helped? So Krishna helped even with the neophyte devotees. So what to speak about advanced devotees? So Krishna is very personal and Krishna is very, very loving. Krishna recognize all the service which devotee does. Je jathamang prapadante sam satavya bhajameham. So if you try to serve Krishna, Krishna will reciprocate with you. So in this way, Krishna consciousness is very, very juicy. Krishna consciousness is very, very complete nectarian. So, and thus sense control is easy in Krishna consciousness, where the yogis and gyanis, they are not able to taste the nectar, and therefore they many times fall down. And Krishna personally says in Bhagavad Gita that abhyakta hi gotir dukkham deho bodhbir avapate. What is the first line? First line, impersonal realization. Anybody? Nobody knows. So, abhyakta hi gotir dukkham deho bodhbir avapate. The person who meditate on the impersonal aspect of God, it is for them it is very difficult to meditate on that impersonal aspect. Abhyakta hi gotir, and it causes dukkham. For the people who have body, शरीर जिनके हैं, ऐसे लोगों को निराकार भगवान की ध्यान करना बहुत मुश्किल है. क्लेशोधिकतरस्तेषाम् अव्यक्ता सत्त्वचेतसाम् अव्यक्ता हि गतिर्दुःखम् देहो बोधभिरवपते. So क्लेशोधिकतरस्तेषाम्, only they produces misery. So therefore try to serve Krishna as more as personal way. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu have given that opportunity to serve Krishna, to distribute Krishna's books, because Krishna already promised in Bhagavad Gita, if you distribute this knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, you become very dear to him. You worship Krishna's deities, the personal, Krishna personally present in the form of deities. We offer bhoga to Krishna. So it's a personal way to serve Krishna. You dress the deity. You serve Krishna's devotee. Like here Bhishma is addressing and appreciating Krishna, Arjuna's personal relationship with Krishna, and he is aspiring that let my mind also become completely fixed in Krishna. Let I also become absorbed in Krishna. She is appreciating Arjuna. He is remembering Krishna's every activities, all the pastime which happened just before, and he is appreciating how Krishna is showing mercy to his devotee. So thus Bhishmadev, though he was a like he have Ichamritu Bardhan, he was great like demigods, Ashtabashwa mein ek hai, but Bhishmadev is aspiring Krishna's personal mercy, Krishna's he's meditating on Krishna's quality, Krishna's pastime. So Bhishma was a bhakta, great devotee of Krishna, and here Bhishmadev is remembering that how so how that Supreme Lord who is capable to award salvation, Mukunda, so may he, Lord Krishna, the personality of Godhead who awards salvation, be my ultimate destination. See, be my ultimate destination. So this should be always our aspiration. This should be always our aspiration. Let that Supreme Personality become my ultimate destination. So this should be our heart-to-heart feeling. This should be our heart-to-heart feeling. Then only we will be always filled with love for Krishna. Then we will be always ready to do anything and everything for Krishna. So that dedication, that surrender should be there for Krishna. So here Bhishma Devi is saying that Krishna's body was wounded. Krishna's body was wounded by my sharp arrow. Bhishma is saying, Bhishma Devi is saying that his body was wounded by his sharp arrow, and his shield was scattered and his body was covered with blood. That was happened due to Bhishma's arrow. Now same Bhishma is addressing Krishna's Mukunda. Can you imagine? भीष्म देव के तीर से कृष्ण के शरीर में खून बह रहा है, और उनको कैसे मुकुंद कह रहे हैं भीष्मदेव? इसका मतलब एक तरीके से भीष्मदेव के शक्ति क्या बोलते हैं, भीष्मदेव के तीर से भगवान के शरीर से खून आ रहा है, और इस प्रकार एक तरीके से भीष्मदेव ऊपर, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ, लड़ाई में ऊपर है। लड़ाई में ऊपर है, लेकिन हाँ, भीष्मदेव कृष्ण को कैसे मुकुंद कह रहे हैं? बिकॉज भीष्मदेव was fighting in such a way, with such desperate way, that Krishna is forced to come out from the chariot and take out the wheel. तो अर्जुन को बचाने के लिए, तो इस प्रकार भगवान के शरीर से खून निकालना भीष्मदेव की सेवा था कृष्ण के प्रति, और इस प्रकार कृष्ण अपने रथ से बाहर निकल आए और रथ के पहिया को निकाल लिए भीष्म को मारने के लिए। तो इस प्रकार भीष्मदेव कृष्ण की स्तुति करना चाहते थे। कृष्ण की स्तुति, जैसे भीष्मदेव अभी शब्दों से कृष्ण की स्तुति कर रहे हैं, उस समय युद्ध के द्वारा कृष्ण की स्तुति कर रहे हैं, कृष्ण की महिमा को बढ़ाने के लिए। तो कृष्ण वाज आल्सो एंजॉयिंग विद भीष्म। अगर कृष्ण को भीष्मदेव को मारना ही था, कृष्ण को भीष्म को मारना ही था, तो कृष्ण तो सुदर्शन छोड़ सकते थे। रथ के पहिया निकालने की क्या जरूरत थी? पहिया निकालने की कोई जरूरत था? सबको पता है कि रथ के पहिया से किसी का मृत्यु नहीं होता है। कृष्ण could have released the Sudarshan. That was far more easy for Krishna. But why could Krishna took out the wheel of the chariot? Because Krishna wanted to just give a threat to Bhishma. He don't have any desire to kill Bhishma, because Krishna knows that Bhishma is his dear devotee. Bhishma loves him. Krishna knows what Bhishma wanted, and Bhishma knows what Krishna, who is Krishna. तो इस प्रकार भीष्मदेव को पता है कि कृष्ण मुकुंद है, और इसलिए भीष्मदेव के भगवान श्री कृष्ण के साथ इस प्रकार वीर रस के सेवा या भक्ति का आदान प्रदान कर रहे हैं, और कृष्ण को मुकुंद के रूप में स्मरण कर रहे हैं। तो एक मार्कंडेय ऋषि हैं, जो मार्कंडेय ऋषि का बारे में आपने सुना है। मार्कंडेय सरोवर है जगन्नाथपुरी में। तो मार्कंडेय ऋषि भगवान के जो माया को दर्शन करना चाहते थे, एंड देन लॉर्ड अपीयर in front of him when Pralaya was going on and Markandeya Rishi was in ocean, floating in the ocean, and then Lord appear lying down on the banyan leaf, जो बट के जो पत्र हैं उसमें सो के भगवान श्री कृष्ण सोए हुए थे, एक बट क्या बोलते banyan tree के lips के ऊपर, and he was chewing his own feet, the thumb of the feet, क्या बोलते हैं उसको। So there is a beautiful verse, बटस्य पत्रस्य पुटे शयानम बालम मुकुंदम मनसा स्मरामि। So बटस्य पत्रस्य पुटे शयानम, तो बटस्य पत्र जो बट के जो पत्र हैं, लिप्स हैं, उसके ऊपर सोए हुए हैं, पुटे शयानम बालम मुकुंदम। बालम छोटा बालक है, बालक के रूप में। अभी छोटा बालक कैसे मुक्तिदाता हो सकता है? तो दैट इज कृष्णा। सो बालम मुकुंदम मनसा स्मरामि। लेट आई ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट सुप्रीम लॉर्ड who is capable to give salvation, who can award salvation. Same prayers here Bhishma is saying. Now why Krishna wanted chewing the क्या बोलते हैं पैर का मोटा उंगली को क्या कहते हैं?
अंगूठा.
Toe, English?
It is called toe.
No, it's not toe. Why toe?
Toes of the feet.
The big finger of the leg, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Feet. तो पीछे को टो बोलते हैं ना?
उसको बोलते
No.
हैं अंगूठा.
इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
बिग तो बोले.
Big toe.
Big toe.
Okay. So why Krishna was chewing the big toe of his own feet? So why? Because Krishna was thinking that so many great souls and munis and rishis, they are worshipping my lotus feet for many years, and by worshipping my lotus feet they get liberated, they get salvation. And all the great devotees, they take shelter of my lotus feet, just like a bumblebees. So bumblebees always take the honey which is there in the lotuses. So similarly, Krishna's lotus feet is compared to the lotus, and devotees are like a bee, and they always drink the honey, the nectar of Krishna's lotus feet. So aham harer tab padai kamule dasanudasa bhavitasmi bhuyah manasmareta supater gunam se grinito ba karma karo tukaya. So these are prayers of क्या नाम है उनका? चित्रकेतु महाराज क्या बने बाद में? चित्रकेतु महाराज became
Vitrasur.
no Vritrasur. Chitraketu Maharaj became Vritrasur. I don't know why my laptop is getting off. So Chitraketu Maharaj became Vritrasur, and in Vritrasur is offering prayers to Krishna. So aham harir tava padai kamule. So oh my dear Lord, dasanudasa bhavitasmi bhuya. I want to become the servant of your lotus feet. Manos maret asu patel gunamste. By my mind, I always want to remember you. Manos maret asu patel gunamste. Because you are asu pate, you become very quickly satisfied. And grinito bak, by my tongue, I want to always glorify you. By my mouth, I always want to glorify you. So grinito bak, karma karo tu kaya, and by my body, by my senses, I want to always serve you. The devotees who are leaving, some devotees are leaving, some devotees did not join. So I request the follow-up devotees to see that the leaving means the devotees or who have not joined, they should join. So, and you should take attendance. And every 2 months, you should submit the attendance, and you will see that who are attending the classes. So grinito bak karma karotu kaya. So in this way, there is many prayers. Namo pankaja nabhayo, namo pankaja maline, namo pankaja netrayo, namaste pankajangraye. Namaste pankajangraye. I offer up my obeisance to the lotus feet of Lord Krishna. So Krishna's lotus feet resemble with many divine marks, like fish. Fish means that fish always resides in the water. Similarly, devotees always take shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna. So Krishna's lotus feet, there is a mark, called, I think, Vajra. So, or Chakra. So, Chakra always give protection to his devotees. So, similarly, in Krishna's lotus feet, there is a symbol of lotus. So that gives lotus, just like lotus is very, very soft and very, very cool. So similarly, if you take shelter of Krishna's lotus feet, Lord Chaitanya's lotus feet, you'll get cooling effect. So Sitala Charana Paya Sharana Loinu. So Prabhu Tava Pada Juge Morani Vedan Nahi Magi Deho Sukha Vidadhana Jan Prabhu Tava Pada Juge Morani Vedan. So in this way, a devotee always remember the lotus feet of Krishna. So the devotees are, and thus they get bliss. Thus they get ecstasy, and they embraces their lotus feet. They take shelter of the lotus feet. They remember Krishna's glory, the glory of Krishna's lotus feet. So Krishna, from Krishna's lotus feet, the Ganga appeared. So when so they remember Krishna's lotus feet, and they remember the glories of Krishna's lotus feet. Just by taking dip in the Ganga, you become completely free from all the sin which you have performed. So in this way, gopis are also remembering Krishna's lotus feet. Just like I was speaking some of the classes during Narsingha, their appearance. So gopis are praying. Chalo si jad brajan charayan pashun nalina sundaram nathate padam silatinam sidati tinam kalilatang mano kanta gacchati. So kalilatang mano kanta gacchati. So the gopis are feeling lot of pain because they are remembering Krishna, that Krishna have went out for herding the cows in the forest of Vrindavan. And when he is herding the cows in the forest of Vrindavan, his lotus feet, which is very, very soft like a lotus, and must be pinched by stone or by the क्या बोलते हैं उसको, so कांटे को क्या कहते हैं, कांटे, I forgot. Thorn. So his lotus feet might be pierced or pinched by the thorns, by the stones, by the pebbles, and Krishna must be feeling lot of pain. So remembering Krishna's pain, they are feeling the pain. Koli latang mano, मन में बहुत कष्ट हो रहा है. कांत गच्छति. तो चलो सी जद ब्रजान चारयान पशून, कृष्ण जब पशु चारण करने के लिए जाते हैं तो शीलतिनांकुरे, शील तीन अंकुश कृष्ण के चरणों में शायद बहुत ही कष्ट दे रहा होगा. कृष्ण के चरण इतना कोमल है. तो इस प्रकार कृष्ण के कोमल चरणों की, कृष्ण की लीलाओं की, कृष्ण के रूपों की हमेशा चिंतन करते रहते. अभी कृष्ण सोच रहे कि मेरे भक्त मेरा चरणों की ध्यान करके, मेरी आश्रय लेके, मेरी चरणों की सेवा करके क्या रस आस्वादन करते, क्या अमृत का आस्वादन करते हैं, मैं भी थोड़ा चख के देखता हूं. And therefore Krishna is chewing the big toe of his own feet, because Krishna wanted to taste the nectar of his own feet. Because by taking shelter of Krishna's lotus feet, all the living entity getting liberation. So Krishna wanted to know the glories of his own feet. So as Krishna appears as Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because Krishna does not know that how much love his devotee feel for him. Radharani knows it. Rukmini Devi is saying that Radharani knows it. I know it, but you don't know. That is why Krishna became his own devotee in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Bala Mukundam Sharan Manuswas Marami, and same thing he's saying here. Bhishma Devi is saying, Sa Bhavatu me Bhagavan Vatir Mukunda. Let that Mukunda is so sweet, so loving, become my ultimate destination. So in this way, we should always remember these beautiful verses in our day-to-day life. So we may be chanting in the daytime, we may be hearing some classes, but other part of the day, how much time we have remember Krishna? That will prove how much you are absorbed in Krishna consciousness. If you are not absorbed in Krishna consciousness, other part of the day, suppose you are working, suppose you are going somewhere else, suppose you are doing something, some cooking or worshipping the deities, or if Krishna conscious thoughts are not coming, that means sufficient absorption has not taken place. So therefore, unless we are relishing Krishna consciousness, those natural verses, natural remembrance of some bhajan, kirtan, those things will not come. So therefore, we have to take care. We have to see that we are relishing Krishna consciousness. We are serving Krishna with priti purvakam. So satatam kirtan tamam yatantasya dirabrata. Another is priti purvakam, bhajatam priti purvakam. हमें प्रीति पूर्वक कृष्ण की भजना करने के प्रयास करना चाहिए, प्रीति पूर्वक भगवान के शुद्ध भक्तों की सेवा करने की प्रयास करना चाहिए, गुरु की सेवा करने की प्रयास करना चाहिए. तो तब क्या होगा? कृष्ण के प्रति रति उत्पन्न होगा. रति मुग्धा हदा दग्धा गंगे बोगमुदा नति. तो रति उत्पन्न होने से कृष्ण के प्रति मिलता है गति, और वही चीज बोल रहे गतिर मुकुंदा. तो रति उत्पन्न होगा तो गति प्राप्त होगा. तो जिस प्रकार गंगा समुद्र के प्रति तीव्रता से धावित होता है, उसी प्रकार कुंती महारानी प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं. तो इमे अनन्न विषया मतिर मधुपते स्वकृत रति मुग्धा हतक दग्धा गंगे बोगमुदन्नति. So when I will also get that type of desperateness towards your lotus feet. मोतीर मधु पते सफेद, मेरा मति कब रति प्राप्त होगा आपके प्रति. जिस प्रकार गंगा समुद्र के तरफ तीव्रता से बहता है, उसी प्रकार तीव्रता से मैं आपकी आश्रय लूंगा, आपकी भक्ति करूंगा. तो हियर भीष्म पितामह, though externally looking as a soldier, but he was a great devotee of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Text 39. विजय रथ कुटुंब अत्र तोत्रे धृत हयोरस्मिनि तत् श्रियाक्षिणीये धृतो हयोरस्मिनि रश्मिनि तत्श्रिया इक्षणीये भगवती रतिरस्तु मे मुमूर्षो जमीह निरीक्ष्य हतो गता स्वरूपम Translation.
At the moment of death, let my ultimate attraction be to see Krishna, the personality of Godhead. I concentrate my mind upon the chariot driver of Arjuna, who stood with a whip in his right hand and a bridle rope in his left, who was very careful to give protection to Arjuna's chariot by all means. Those who saw him on the battlefield of Kurukshetra attained their original forms after death.
Haribol. See how Krishna Krishna's all activities are auspicious. So all the soldier who died seeing Krishna's beautiful face in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, all they achieved their original form after death. That means they went back to the spiritual world. So that is like Krishna's greatness. So Krishna can benefit anyone who come in contact with Krishna anyhow. They are going to be completely benefited. So here Bhishmadev trying to fully absorb before he is going to pass his body, going to leave his body, and therefore he is giving his best effort to become fully absorbed in Krishna. That's what he is saying. At the moment of death, let my ultimate attraction be to see Krishna, the personality of Godhead. I concentrate my mind upon the chariot driver of Arjuna, who stood with whip, मतलब जो चाबुक होता है जिसे रथ क्या बोलते हैं, घोड़ा को आगे लेके जाते हैं, whip in his right hand and the bridle rope in his left, who is very careful to give protection to Arjuna's chariot by all means. So Bhishmadev, at the time of his death, he is trying his best to become fully absorbed Krishna's beautiful form, the form which is the form in which Krishna is standing in the chariot of Arjuna, and he is ready to give all protection to. He is very careful to give all protection to Arjuna. So generally the yogis, they are trying to practice Ashtanga yoga, yama, niyama, asana, then pranayam, pratyahar, then dharana, dhyan, then samadhi. So jam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, then Dhyan, Dharana, then Samadhi. So this is Ashtanga Yoga. So Ashtanga Yoga, one has to control his mind and the life air by pranayam and pratyahar, and then lot of rules and regulation, jam, niyam, and then dhyan, dharana, and then they get samadhi. So are you able to see me?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. So yogi has to go through lot of difficulties and trouble and sense control in order to achieve samadhi. And that samadhi, that is also not possible unless they have bhakti. So, but here Bhishmadev, naturally, like if you just, we are discussing last 1 month, the Bhishmadev's pastimes, and personally I'm feeling very happy, and I can understand Bhishmadev consciousness some level, some extent. So whatever I understood little bit, definitely I have not understood fully, or maybe I have understood very little bit only. So that little bit also making me so much Krishna conscious, so much like developing love for Bhishmadev. So it is very clear that Bhishmadev was such a great level of devotee. So by little bit only we can understand that how Bhishmadev was so great devotee and he was so devotional. So definitely he must be much more devotional. So that absorption, Bhishmadev, that samadhi Bhishmadev achieved by natural love for Krishna. The yogis who try to develop samadhi with lot of hard work, and after that also many times they falls down. But here a devotee who is absorbed lying on the bed of arrow. Can you imagine? On the battle, after the battle of Kurukshetra in the old age. So therefore, the practice of Krishna consciousness, the advancement of Krishna consciousness cannot be stopped by external circumstances or the difficulties. Rather, more difficulties come, the intensity or love of a devotee increases more and more. So love for the devotees, love of the devotees increases more they face difficulties in the path of Krishna consciousness, and more their bhakti becomes solid, more their bhakti becomes strong. And the devotees are ready to take any risk for Krishna, and they're fully absorbed in Krishna consciousness. When Srila Prabhupada was preaching in America, he was facing so many challenges, so many difficulties in old age. His dictaphone was stolen, his trunk got stolen, he do not have any money, people are not supporting him, -degree temperature, he's alone, different countries, old age, so much difficulties. And Prabhupada was thinking that when the next ship will come. But still, Prabhupada was absorbed to serve and assist the mission of his spiritual master and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So though difficulties were there, we see many Maharaj, many disciples of Srila Prabhupada, though they have lot of difficulties, lot of challenges, but they are fully absorbed the carrying out the order of Srila Prabhupada to serve the mission of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, to chant, to hear, to glorify Krishna, distribute Krishna consciousness to others. So thus we can see that how Krishna consciousness is beyond bodily platform. So here Bhishmadev is remembering Krishna. Bhishmadev is appreciating again Krishna's relationship with Arjuna. So and Bhishmadev was thinking that how Arjuna was so fortunate that Arjuna have one-to-one association with Krishna. So Arjuna got association of Krishna so closely, and Krishna become the chariot driver. Bhavati, Krishna become chariot driver of Arjuna. So Bhagavati Rotir Astu Me. So the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who was standing in the chariot of Arjuna in order to give protection to Arjuna. So let that Supreme Lord, let I develop rati, attraction to that Supreme Personality of Godhead. So although Bhishma was fighting in the opposition party, but these verses are clear cut, clear cut explanation of Bhishma's flailing, that how Bhishma was great devotee of Krishna, and Bhishma have no enmity with Krishna, with Pandavas, rather he was their side only. But due to some circumstances, Bhishma was not able to fight. So therefore we should try to practice devotional service. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Padu Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasam, Sakhyam Atma Nivedanam. तो भगवत भक्ति के जो अलग अलग अंग हैं उसका अनुशीलन करने के प्रयास करना चाहिए डेली बेसिस में, एंड वी शुड ट्राई टू ऑफर एवरीथिंग फॉर द सर्विस ऑफ कृष्णा. आपके जो धन है आप कृष्ण की सेवा में लगाइए, आपका जो स्किल है वो कृष्ण की सेवा में लगाइए, आपके शरीर, आपके मन और आपके वाक्य को कृष्ण की सेवा में लगाइए. कृष्ण के लिए कुकिंग करिए, कृष्ण के लिए कृष्ण का ड्रेसिंग करिए, कृष्ण के लिए अच्छा मंदिर बनाइए आपके घर में. या सबसे अच्छा है कि अगर कृष्ण के लिए अपने जीवन दे सकते हैं, सो देन यू बिकम ए फ्लावर एट द लोटस फीट ऑफ कृष्णा. तो इस प्रकार एनीवे we should all try to offer our life to Krishna, either you are brahmachari or grihastha. So more like how much we are internally dedicated for Krishna and Krishna's mission, that is more important. So here Bhishmadev is trying to offer his life and trying to develop more attachment, remembering Krishna's loving nature and remembering Krishna's this beautiful form, who was standing in the Ratha of Arjuna, Vijay Rathe. Text 40. ललित गति विशाल बल गुहासा, प्रणय निरीक्षण कल्पित उरुमाना, कृत मनु कृतवत उन्मादान्धा, कृत मनु कृतवत उन्मुधान्धा, प्रकृतिम अघन किल जस्स गोपबद्ध, Somebody read the translation.
Let my mind be fixed upon Lord Sri Krishna, whose motion and smiles of love attracted the damsels of Brajandama. The damsels imitated the characteristic movement of the Lord after his disappearance from the Rasa dance.
See now, Vishmadev is remembering which Leela?
Last Leela.
Yeah, Vrindavan Leela. So here is a proof. First you hear Krishna's Kurukshetra Leela, and then you remember Krishna's Vrindavan Leela. So many times so-called Bhagavad reciter, before discussing Krishna's Gita, before they discuss Krishna's instruction, Krishna's position as the Supreme Person of Godhead, Krishna's pastime in Kurukshetra, they try to jump to Krishna's Rasa Leela. So before Krishna performed Rasa Leela, he performed dance on the hoods of Kaliya. So Krishna lifted Govardhan hill. So unless we understand Krishna's position as a Supreme Person of Godhead, one cannot appreciate Krishna's conjugal pastime. So here we see Vishmadev, how he was glorifying Krishna's supremacy, Krishna's loving nature for his devotee, Krishna's appreciating his position, Vishma was appreciating Krishna's position and his Krishna's relationship with Arjuna. Though he was opposition side, generally Krishna was trying to kill him, and one sense like Arjuna pierced his whole body with the sharp arrows, and all these verses he was speaking on such situation. That means all the pain could not wipe out Bhishma's love for Krishna. हम लोग भक्ति कर रहे हैं, लेकिन कुछ समय हमारे जीवन में प्रॉब्लम्स आने से हम लोग भक्ति छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. कुछ दिन पहले एक डिवोटी हमें कह रहे थे कि प्रभु जी, हाँ हम तो बचपन से भक्ति कर रहे हैं और अभी लॉकडाउन है, प्रभु जॉब चला गया, तो कैसे समझ सकते हैं कि कृष्णा उनके भक्तों का ख्याल रखते हैं. तो बोले मैं जॉब नहीं कर रहा हूँ प्रभु जी, कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. तो कोई भी डिफिकल्टी अगर हमारे लाइफ में आता है तो हमें समझ में आता है कितना भक्ति हमारे अंदर है. जब मेरा डेंगू हुआ था, मृत्यु सामने उपस्थित था तो मैं देख रहा था कितना भक्ति है मेरे अंदर तो मैं देख रहा था कि इतना फिलोसफी सुना, ठीक है, लेकिन भक्ति तो कुछ है ही नहीं हृदय में तो ज्यादातर दूसरी चिंता ही हो रहा है. तो हालांकि मैंने जब किया, बट दैट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लव वाज नॉट देयर इन द हार्ट. But here you can see Bhishmadev, his body was pierced by the thousands of arrows, sharp arrows, and for the many days he was old. He was lying down on the deathbed, I think 46 or some days. He was lying down on the bed and he was waiting for Krishna's appearance. He was waiting for Uttarayan. And such painful situation he was getting from Krishna and Arjuna only. But he was not feeling that why Krishna is giving such situation. Krishna ने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया? Because Bhishma was clearly knows that I was fighting on the side of adharma and therefore I am supposed to suffer these consequences. Bhishma clearly knows that and he accepted that in his life. One time I took some devotees to Guru Maharaj for initiation. So we asked Guru Maharaj that these devotees are aspiring from you for initiation. So please offer them shelter. So then first thing Guru Maharaj said that, see, my health is not so good. I am not good looking. So see, I am almost like handicapped and I am going by wheelchair. So are you okay with that? Are you ready to accept me as your spiritual master? So devotee said, yes, Guru Maharaj, we are ready to accept you. By your inspiration only we are practicing Krishna consciousness. So then Guru Maharaj said that that is very beginning, like 2008, मतलब 2010 के आसपास होगा. So then Guru Maharaj says that I am doing physiotherapy and I am doing some exercise. So it may improve little bit. It may improve little bit, but I don't know how much it will improve. And whatever situation I have, I accepted it. So whatever situation I'll be having, so I have accepted it, and I'll try my best to use my last blood in the service of Krishna. So now it is your choice. Your choice. If you want to take shelter of me, it's okay. Otherwise, you can change also. So I was shocked, seeing Guru Maharaj's humility and how he, though he's a so great devotee and have done so much service for Srila Prabhupada and the mission of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but he's so humble. So he is accepting the situation, whatever he is facing, and he never made any complaint. So this is the position of this is the consciousness of an exalted devotee. So exalted devotee never blame Krishna. So ब्रह्मा जी का प्रेयर से आप लोगों को पता है, तत्ते अनुकंपार्थम सुषुमिक्षमाना भुंजान एवात्मकृताम विपाकम हृद्भा बपुधे विदधाम नमस्ते जीवे तो वो मुक्ति पदेशो दाय भाव. That person is only become qualified to get liberation. मुक्ति पदे या कृष्ण के चरण प्राप्त करने के लिए qualified है. The person who accept all his past misdeed as his the suffering as the result of his past misdeed. तत्ते अनुकंपार्थम सुषुमिक्षमाना भुंजान एवात्मकृताम विपाकम. तो अपने जो कर्म फल के रूप में स्वीकार करते हैं और इस प्रकार भगवान के प्रति कृतज्ञ रहते कि मेरे को बहुत दुख मिलना था, भगवान अभी कम करके दिया है. और इस प्रकार हृद्भा बपुर्भीर विदधाम नमस्ते, हृदय और वाक्य और मन के द्वारा भगवान को प्रणाम निवेदन करते, भगवान के पास आत्मा समर्पण करते हैं. तो भुंजान एवात्मकृताम विपाकम, भुंजान जो दुख भोग रहे हैं, आत्मकृताम विपाकम, person who accept that it is my past misdeed, they have only means they are only means Krishna's lotus feet of the liberation or going back to Godhead become their rightful claim. So here Bhishma, we can see that Bhishma never become disturbed, never complain, never blaspheme. In such situation, he was offering such a beautiful prayers. So we are practicing Krishna consciousness. Even it is very easy to speak like I am speaking. But when such situation comes, how much we have advanced in Krishna consciousness, we can practically see in our heart to heart. So therefore, more we advance in, more the day passes in Krishna consciousness, we can understand that actually Krishna bhakti is very, very high. So when in the beginning of Krishna consciousness, when we chant 16 down, we come in 16 down and we hear some philosophy, संकल्प कैम्प कर लिया, स्फूर्ति कैम्प कर लिया, उत्कर्ष कैम्प कर लिया और फिर आगे निष्ठा कैम्प कर लिया और मेरे को सब पता है, गीता पढ़ लिया प्रभु, भागवतम पढ़ लिया, सब कुछ पता है. प्रभु हर क्लास में एक ही चीज क्यों रिपीट करते हैं? क्यों नया चीज बोलना चाहिए कुछ? बार बार एक ही चीज अच्छा नहीं लगता है. थोड़ा नया फिलोसफी बताइए प्रभु. तो बहुत बार हमें ऐसा लगता है ये ठीक है, नया चीज सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, नया नया नोट बनाते हैं आप, नया नया चीज इंफॉर्मेशन आपके नोट पे आ जाता है, बहुत कुछ आप जान जाते हैं. लेकिन कितना हम लोग अप्लाई करते हैं, जो डिवोशनल पार्ट कितना हम लोग हमारे लाइफ में अप्लाई करते हैं, वो बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। तो इस बहुत बार हम लोग भक्ति के ऊपर वाले लेवल में ही रह जाते हैं, समुद्र के ऊपर, भक्ति के समुद्र की गहराई में हम लोग प्रवेश नहीं कर पाते हैं, इंटेलेक्चुअल लेवल में। और जो इंटेलेक्चुअल क्लास होता है वो ही अच्छा लगता है हम लोग को। वो प्रभु जी बहुत अच्छा क्लास दिया, वो प्रभु जी बहुत अच्छा क्लास दिया, ये प्रभु का वीडियो लेक्चर, ऑडियो लेक्चर बहुत अच्छा है, मैं प्रभु ये लेक्चर सुनता हूँ, मैं प्रभु वो लेक्चर सुनता हूँ। सिंपल लेक्चर अच्छा नहीं लगता है, because we are also intellectual level and we are also appreciating the intellectual talks only. Maybe that those devotees are not speaking in an intellectual level, but we are grasping only on intellectual points only. तो इसलिए भागवतम is the application of भागवत गीता। भागवत गीता में कृष्ण भगवान है, लेकिन कृष्ण की भक्ति कैसी करनी चाहिए, ये आचार्य के जीवनी से, आचार्य के जो महान भक्तों की जीवनी से, भीष्मदेव के जीवन से हम लोग सीख सकते हैं। इसलिए भागवतम के अलग अलग कैंटोस में महान महान भक्तों की पास टाइम आता है, महाजनों की पास टाइम आता है। तो इसलिए इसको सुनना चाहिए, इसका श्रवण करना चाहिए, इसका मनन करना चाहिए, और इनको हमारे जीवन में अप्लाई करना चाहिए, और उसके साथ साथ उसका कीर्तन करना चाहिए, उसका कीर्तन करना चाहिए, उनके महिमा का कीर्तन करना चाहिए। और इस प्रकार थोड़ा सा अगर उनके कृपा हमारे अंदर आ जाता है किसी प्रकार, तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा अप्लाई कर लेंगे, थोड़ा सा अप्लाई करने से बहुत एडवांसमेंट कर जाएंगे। तो आप सबको समझ में आ रहा है?
हरि बोल प्रभु,
हरि बोल, हरि बोल, हरि बोल।
सो लोलितो गोती विलासो बलगुहासो, प्रणय निरीक्षण कल्पितो उरुमाना। So let my mind be fixed upon Lord Krishna, whose motion and smile of love attracted the damsel of Brajadham, the gopis. The damsel imitated the characteristic movement of Lord Krishna after Krishna disappeared from the Rasa Leela. See, this is Vipralamba Bhav, which Bhishmadev is expressed here. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared that Vipralamba Bhav, and Bhishmadev is remembering that how gopis started imitating. So the gopis became so mad, become intoxicated, feeling in separation of Krishna, and they sang Gopi Geet. So, and they were so much absorbed in Krishna's pastime, the remembrance of Krishna, separation of Krishna, they start imitating Krishna's Leela. When Krishna disappeared from Vrindavan, and when Krishna disappeared from Rasa dance. So some gopis were lifting Govardhan hill, some gopis like they were bound by Mother Yashoda, by some gopis bound another gopis, like Krishna was bound by Mother Yashoda. So some gopis were killing Aghasur, some gopis were killing Bakasur. Somebody was speaking to other gopis about Krishna's different qualities, Krishna's pastimes. So thus they are completely absorbed in Krishna. So Krishna attracted the heart of the gopis by his beautiful smile and by his beautiful form. ललितो मतलब बहुत सुंदर, गोती, ललितो गोती बिलासो, बोलगुहासो, Krishna's beautiful smile, Krishna's beautiful three-banded form, And Krishna's beautiful way of walking, and Krishna's all attractive, beautiful smile, and Krishna's loving glances on the gopis. So nice, so beautiful. Bhishmadev who is remembering, and how he's appreciating Krishna's very personal love towards the gopis. So krito manu kritta bato unmadatma. So gopis become unmad, they become mad by feeling the extreme separation for Krishna. So how much I can explain actually the gopis' love and their love for Krishna. So here Prabhupada is writing that the Bhishma was not only appreciating the glories of Arjuna, the love between Krishna and Arjuna in a Shakya Bhav, but also Bhishma Dev was appreciating, was glorifying Krishna's love for the gopis in the conjugal love. So So they were aspiring Krishna's intimate association, and thus they are feeling extreme separation for Krishna, and thus they are imitating. So this is like pranay, then bhav, mahabhav. So Radharani have mahabhav, but other gopis have other 9 kind of bhav, 8 kind of bhav. So so Krishna have offered the highest form of love to the gopis of Vrindavan. So there is 5 kind of ras: Santa, Dasa, Sakhya, Vatsalya, Madhur, and the Madhur ras is the topmost level of love, and they are the topmost devotees. Their surrender, their sacrifice, their tolerance, all the criticism of the society, and facing all difficulties to meet Krishna, and offering their full love for Krishna, and giving up the good क्या बोलते हैं prestige, society, even relatives, their own husbands. So they sacrificed everything for Krishna. So when Krishna saw that so much love they have for him, so Krishna could not. Krishna was feeling very grateful towards the gopis. So Krishna was requesting them that you should return back. You should return back. Why you have came to me? You should go back to your own family, your husband. So the gopis were saying that Krishna, you have called us in a dead night by playing your divine flute. Now you are asking us to go back. So we cannot go back. So kindly accept us as your servant. So we are your eternal servant, and you are our original master. So seeing gopis' love and ready to do everything for Krishna, and not even thinking about their social situation and all these things. So Krishna performed rasa dance to give pleasure to the gopis. So in the Rasa Leela, Krishna danced with the gopis, or gopis danced with Krishna in the equal platform, and Krishna was glancing over them with the conjugal affection. So we have visited that place in Vrindavan. We have visited that Bimal Sarovar, where Krishna performed Rasa Leela with a daughter of Bimal, the king, Bimal Raja. So he have 10,000 daughter, and Krishna perform Rasa Leela with all his daughters. So Bimal Raja wanted to give his daughters marry with Krishna, and Krishna was there that time in Mathura. So then Krishna came with all the daughters of Bimal Raja with Hamsa Bahan. So then Krishna got married with them, and after marriage Krishna performed Rasa Leela with all the daughters of Bimal Raja. And then the daughters of Bimal was dancing so much with love for Krishna. And Krishna was also dancing with them. So Krishna manifested himself in 10,000 form, and by their perspiration, divine pastime, the Kunda appeared. That is called Bimal Sarovar. Hari Bol. In which वन? कौन बोल सकता है? कौन सा वन में है?
कामोवन।
दयामय प्रभु छोड़ के बोलना चाहिए। दयामय तो हमारे साथ नहीं गए थे। Yes, इन काम में वन। तो आप लोग को कितना याद है? And there is many places where Krishna performed Rasa Leela. So there is another place in Kadamba Khandi near Badrinath. Badrinath is there in Vrindavan. So near Badrinath there is a beautiful place where this name is Kadamba Khandi, where Krishna performed Rasa Leela. And if you see that place, it is means seeing the place only will understand this is jagah mein Rasa Leela hua hai. So Krishna have expanded himself in thousands of form to give pleasure to the gopis, dancing in the conjugal love. So Krishna glanced over them. Krishna smiled on them. Krishna walked very beautiful way. So everything was enchanting. Everything was very, very attractive, heart touching. And Krishna was offering the love as a beloved offer his as a lover offer his love to the beloved. So in this way Krishna give all pleasure to his highest devotees, the gopis of Vrindavan. So but when Krishna disappeared, so when Krishna saw that the gopis, the love they have offered to him, he cannot pay back. So then Krishna thought that only way I cannot pay back their love. Though Krishna had promised Jejathamang Prapadante Sam Sadamya Bhajamaham in Bhagavad Gita, but he cannot pay back the love which gopis have offered to him. And therefore Krishna says that because I cannot pay back, so therefore only gift I can give to all of you, it is my separation. So therefore Krishna says that therefore to increase your love, I have disappeared from Vrindavan. I have disappeared from Rasa Leela. And that is Vipralamba Bhav. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared to give that Vipralamba Bhav. And if we serve Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in a Dasya Bhav, if we serve Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu have given 64 items of devotional service. And it is mentioned in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, it is mentioned in Upadeshamrita, it is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. And Srila Prabhupada has given those 64 items only. In 64, 5 is most important, and first four is most important. So if we practice those 64 items, if we practice the devotional service, sadhana bhakti, then we can develop, by the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we can develop prema bhakti, or like the Brajavasis, like the gopis of Vrindavan. तो हमें शिला प्रभुपाद जी के एक लेक्चर में सुन रहा था, गुरु महाराज का भी लेक्चर में एक सुन रहा था, तो गुरु महाराज बता रहे थे कि हम लोग तो उस लेवल में नहीं है कि कृष्ण की विरह भाव में सेवा कर सकते हैं, लेकिन गुरु की विरह भाव में हम लोग सेवा कर सकते हैं। जैसे अभी भक्ति चारू स्वामी गुरु महाराज आप प्रकट हो गए हैं. So we are feeling separation from him. But in separation, we should remember his instruction. We should remember his guideline, what he have instructed us, how we should never leave ISKCON, how the GBC is the highest authority, how we should cooperate for the mission of Srila Prabhupada with other devotees, how we should be very, very sincerely preach Krishna consciousness, how we should have nice sadhana, we should read Srila Prabhupada books. So these are all instruction Maharaj has left for us. Maharaj loving behavior with other Vaishnava seva, Vaishnava behavior, cooking for the Lord, preaching Krishna consciousness, using his all skill for Krishna service, writing books or Abhay Charan serial. So all these things. So Maharaj has taught by his own example. So more we remember him, more we follow his instruction, more we can remember him. And more we can feel his separation, more we can associate with him. So thus, the disciple can serve Guru or Krishna. So Guru is representative of Krishna. So by serving Guru, we can serve Krishna. So by serving Guru in his presence and serving Guru in his absence. So Guru was saying that when Guru is present, maybe when we are serving directly Guru, we are thinking of when Guru's prasad will be over and I'll eat. Guru का खाना कब खत्म होगा, मैं खाऊंगा. हाँ, शायद पनीर थोड़ा छोड़ देंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, मैं खा पाऊंगा. तो बहुत बार ऐसा डिसाइपल सोचते हैं, क्योंकि अभी भी हार्ट प्यूरिफाई नहीं हुआ है. लेकिन जब गुरु दूर चले जाते हैं, आइदर फिजिकली और नहीं तो शायद एक जगह से दूसरी, शायद कोलकाता में आए हैं या मायापुर में आए हैं, उनके एसोसिएशन मिल रहा है, and you got association 1 month, 2 months, and then Guru traveled one place to another place, and you feel separation of Guru. Oh, Guru Maharaj is going today. I am so unfortunate that I will not get his association. So when Krishna disappeared, the Dwarka Vasis, the gopis of Vrindavan, they are feeling separation. They are thinking that Krishna was present with us, but we did not understood that Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. We did not give that much value. Now Krishna is not there, and they are crying. So therefore, when somebody is present, Guru is present, and the many devotees are present, we should take that advantage, and we should practice Krishna consciousness more seriously. We should carry out that instruction, try to apply the instruction in our life, and thus we have close and intimate and spiritual relationship with spiritual master and Guru Parampara. And then when they disappear or not present in front of us, then we will remain in their association. And Srila Prabhupada is saying that I am far away from Vrindavan, but I am always remembering Radha Damodar Mandir. I am always remembering my spiritual master. So thus we have to cultivate that practice. So here Bhishmadev is remembering Arjuna and Arjuna's personal relationship with Krishna and Krishna's loving affection, Krishna's how Krishna protects, and then Bhishmadev is remembering Krishna's affection for the gopis, Krishna's glance over the gopis, how Krishna was attracting the gopis, and then how the gopis was merged into separation when Krishna left from rasa dance. So in this way, Bhishma is remembering one after another. So nice. So there is some more golden verses are there. We have lot of nectar is going to come. So please keep attending the class and keep reading these verses. I just spoke whatever I can speak now, but more you read, more you can drink the nectar. Thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhishmadev ki, Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki, Vrindavan Dham ki, Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Prabhupada ki. Is there any question? This is 5:30.
have one question, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
You were saying that the examples of Bhishma, that they loved Krishna so much, so difficulties came in their life, and because of that, their love for Krishna increased more. And then you were saying the example of Prabhupada and live example of Guru Maharaj. But now we are in the neophyte stage, and if we are also means we are also trying to do the same, love Krishna more. But then if the difficulties come in a neophyte devotee and he tolerate it or reach the breaking point of his endurance capacity, then he might go away from the bhakti also. So, no, or something like that might. So how to?
So there is two things. We should not unnecessarily invite difficulties in our life. Okay. Means we should not imitate the great devotees, great souls. Okay, that is first point. Second point is we have to understand our position and we should not imitate great souls. ठीक है, मैं भी थोड़ा सा बीमार पड़ जाता हूँ और जानबूझ के बीमार पड़ के देखता हूँ कैसा मेरा भक्ति है और थोड़ा लोगों को भी दिखाता हूँ मैं कितना श्रेष्ठ भक्त हूँ. So should not imitate a great soul. Then second thing is, so this is homework of all of you. You should read this section, complete this section, this 9th chapter of first canto, Bhishma Pitamaha, disappearance of Bhishma Pitamaha. This is your homework. Second thing is that you should send your sadhana report. So many of the devotees are not sending. So I request all of you to send your sadhana report. And we will meet you again on Thursday 8:15. Okay. So now answer to the question. The second point is that Krishna will not give you such kind of difficult situation which you will not able to pass. Okay. Krishna will not give you such difficult test which you will not be able to pass. Krishna will give that type of test only which you will be able to pass. Okay, the second answer. Third answer is, if you practice sadhana bhakti nicely, then gradually you will develop love for Krishna. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he, like Bhishmadev was glorifying the gopis and their separation, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared to give that love. Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate. Now if we worship Mahaprabhu in Dasya Bhav, Mahaprabhu तो क्या बोलते हैं, माधुर्य रस देने के लिए आए हैं, ब्रज प्रेम. लेकिन हम लोग तो माधुर्य रस के प्लेटफॉर्म में नहीं है ना, तो हमें महाप्रभु की दास्य रस में सेवा करना चाहिए. तो भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर कहते थे कि we are not going to sit in one place and relish Vrindavan Leela like Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu relished in Gambhira. That is not our duty. That is, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared to remember the Braja Leela. That is the purpose of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's appearance. Suno. So our position is, we are servant of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, servant of the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Our duty is to serve Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. Our duty is to jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. Amar aggai guru hoya taro ei desh. That is Lord Chaitanya's agya to all of us. लेकिन अगर अभी मैं सोचता हूँ नहीं, अभी तो मैं चैतन्य विराह भाव देने के लिए आए हैं, हम थोड़ा सा इस घर के अंदर में घुस के दरवाजा बंद करके, ठीक है, 64 माला जप करके आंसू बहाऊंगा और फिर मैं ब्रज प्रेम प्राप्त करूंगा. और फिर देखा जाएगा कि कुछ दिन के बाद आपको ढूंढ के नहीं मिल रहा है. आप इतना ज्यादा फास्टिंग कर लिया रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी को इमिटेट करके कि कुछ दिन के बाद आपको ढूंढ के ही नहीं मिलेगा. तो हमें ऐसे चैतन्य महाप्रभु विरह भाव आस्वादन करने के लिए आए हैं, लेकिन हम लोग चैतन्य महाप्रभु के दास है. This is Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur is saying, and therefore he took sannyas. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur was chanting 192 rounds for how many years? How many years, Dayamay Prabhu?
10 years, most probably.
10 years. He was chanting 192 rounds. Why, you know? Why he was chanting 192 rounds? Why? Who can say?
To purify himself, to purify and
For who? For
motivate.
what? For what?
For preaching purpose.
For preaching purpose. For fulfilling the mission of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. We can see the great devotees of Vrindavan like the 6 Goswamis. Lord Chaitanya personally instructed them. They are doing bhajan, but same time Nana Shastra Vichara Naika Nipuno Sadharma Samsthapako Lokanam Hitokarinam Tribhuvane Manne Sharanna Karo Vande Rupa Sanatana Raghujugo Sri Jiva Gopalako. So they have studied all the scripture and established Bhakti Shastra. Sadharma Samsthapako. For what? Lokanam Hitokarinam Tribhuvane. Lok hit ke liye. So a devotee had 2 aspects. One is sadhana and another is seva. So both the things should go parallelly in our devotee life. So our duty is not to imitate Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sitting in the bush, and shedding false tear. That is not love. Prabhupada did not express his love by shedding tears, though Prabhupada was Senapati Bhakta. But he expressed his love for Krishna by sacrificing his sleep and writing books for Krishna and traveling and preaching Krishna consciousness. Now in ISKCON, all the services are preaching. You can do detourship, you can do cooking, you can do cleaning also, and same time you can do preaching also. So whatever is possible for you, but one should understand that we are doing this service for the pleasure of Krishna. We are doing this service to bring more soul at the lotus feet of Krishna. So whatever is supporting this movement, everything is connected with preaching only. So different devotee can do different services, but one should understand that our service should assist Lord Chaitanya's movement, Srila Prabhupada's movement. तो अगर हम लोग इस प्रकार साधना भक्ति करते जाएंगे, सेवा करते जाएंगे, चैतन्य महाप्रभु का इमिटेट नहीं करके, गोपियों का इमिटेट नहीं करके, तो एक दिन हम लोग धीरे धीरे कृष्ण के प्रति अनुराग प्राप्त होंगे. तो मैच्योर स्टेज आएगा, and then you can tolerate. You will not become disturbed. So these are the 3 answers. So I spoke we should not bring unnecessary misery in our life because we are not that level. Second thing is I spoke that Krishna will not give such difficult situation which you will not be able to pass. And third is that if one point I missed is that if some suffering is coming in our life, that is due to our past misdeed. And we have to recognize that also. It's not like that Krishna आपको test ले रहे हैं. Many times we think, oh, Krishna is taking test. But it may be due to our negligence in our practice. कोई डिवोटी अच्छे से पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहा है, ठीक है, और वो डिफिकल्टी वो सोच रहे कृष्ण के टेस्ट है. No, it is not Krishna's test. You have brought yourself in that difficult situation. That is your mistake. This is not Krishna's test. And Krishna उतना जल्दी किसी का टेस्ट नहीं लेते हैं. So, and the fourth is that if you do sadhana bhakti and gradually, like given by Srila Prabhupada, then you can develop love for Krishna. Okay?
Okay, Prabhuji, yeah. Shall I send the same
Are you
link
happy
in
with the
the
answer?
Yeah, Prabhuji.
Okay, is there any, you can send the link, same link.
Okay, bro. Yeah.
Acha, kiss, oh, this is my link only, there is no problem. Yeah, is there any other question? Sayan Babu have recorded the class.
তো আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে।
বলুন প্রভু।
আমি বাসে আছি, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন কি আপনি ক্লিয়ারলি?
হ্যাঁ, শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
তো বলছিলাম, আপনারা কখনো সবসময় বলছিলেন যে ব্রহ্মচারীরাই গুরু মহারাজের থেকে যখন শেল্টার নেওয়া হয় তখন কোনো ব্রহ্মচারী থ্রুতে দেওয়া হয়। কোনো গৃহস্থও কি পারে যে গুরু মহারাজের কাউকে শেল্টার দিতে? এটা কি হয় কখনো ইসকন এরকম?
কেন হয় না? এরকম তো আমি বলিনি যে ব্রহ্মচারী শুধু শেল্টার দিতে পারে। আচ্ছা, এখানে তো এত ভক্ত আছে, আমি কবে বলেছি একটু বলুন আপনারা যে ব্রহ্মচারী শুধু শেল্টার দিতে পারে?
আপনার সাথে
না, আমি কবে বলেছি একটু বলো দেখি, আমি শুধু ব্রহ্মচারীরা শেল্টার দিতে পারে? See, ultimately Guru Maharaj is giving shelter, ठीक है? So what is the use of thinking that I am giving shelter, मेरे through shelter हो रहा है? अरे what is my use? Generally devotees like the Shiksha Gurus, they take their devotees to Guru Maharaj, and Guru Maharaj have many servants with him, and then they give shelter. So Grihastha devotees can take his devotees. Guru Maharaj many householder disciples who are leader of different temples, different yatras. So they bring their devotees to Guru Maharaj, and Guru Maharaj give the shelter. And this has happened not only for Guru Maharaj, in all Srila Prabhupada disciples. So brahmacharis can be also leader, Grihastha devotees also can be a leader. So should try to become better devotee. Is it clear?
Yes, Prabhu, is that clear?
Okay. Any other question? So all of you enjoyed the class?
Yes, Prabhu.
Hari Bol. Hari Bol.
Very good.